Hello students, welcome to 17th session of Quantitative Techniques second. So here we have already learned scatter diagram, Pearson's coefficient of correlation, and the next is Spearman's rank correlation. Of course, we solved two sessions or two problems on the Spearman rank correlation. So here we are going with the third problem. From the following data, calculate rank correlation between marks in accountancy and marks in statistics. The two variables they have given is marks in accountancy and marks in statistics. So they are given the data here. For this, we need to calculate rank correlation. So the rank correlation. So as far as rank correlation, we know that we need to prepare a table like this. So here X values as they have given and Y values. So marks in accountancy and marks in statistics of 9 students. So the first task is to find R1 and R2. So we have to rank the given data. Rank the first variable and rank the second variable. So as far as the first variable, so here you can find a repeated data. So 60, again 60 repeated here, again 60 repeated here. And in marks in statistics, so 13 and here again 13. So it is repeated data. So we need to be little careful regarding these repeated data. So I'll start from marks in accountancy or X series. So the least number is 15, rank 1, 25, rank 2, 36, rank 3, and next number is 55, rank 4. So after this, rank 5 I need to give. So here rank 5 is shared in between 60, 60 and 60. So we have 3 repeated datas. As far as these repeated datas, so we need to find average rank. The average rank. So 5th, 6th and 7th. So if I want to give the rank, if I want to continue the ranks, so it will be 5th, 6th and 6th. The next 3 ranks or 5, 6, 7. So 5 plus 6 plus 7 divided by 3, it's 6. So for all the repeated numbers 60, 60 and 60, I give the rank of 6. Here again 6 and here again 6. So after this 60, the next most number is uh, this one 80. So as far as 80, I cannot give the rank 7. So 7 already considered for our average rank 5 plus 6 plus 7. So I'll consider the 80 as 8. And the next most number 9. D, that's the rank number 9. So this is how I need to give the ranks for repeated data. I repeat, I'll start from the list 1, 2, 3 and 4. After that, so I have repeated numbers 60, 60 and 60. So fourth rank I have already given. So if I want to continue with the rank, I should give 5, 6 and 7. So for this 5, 6 and 7, I'll consider average rank. That means 5 plus 6 plus 7 divided by 3. So we have considered 3 repeated numbers. So divided by 3. So it is 6, the average number. So I will allot the 6th rank for all the numbers, all the repeated numbers. So 60 is 6, 60 is 6, 60 again 6. So after 60, the next most number is 80. So for this 80, I cannot allot the 7th rank because this 5, 6, 7 are already considered for our average rank. So I'll consider 8th rank here. And the next most number 90, I'll continue the rank, it's 9. So you should remember, so total we have 9 observations and the maximum rank that we allot is 9. So I should allow the same ranks for Y series. So here for Y series, the least number is 2, that's rank 1, then 5 rank 2, 12, yes, 8 rank 3 and 12 rank 4. After that, we have repeated data 13 and 13. So as far as this repeated data, we know that we need to allot the average numbers. We have already allotted rank 4. So the next two ranks are 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 by 2. So we have considered two repeated datas. So 5 plus 6 divided by 2, it's 5.5. So for both 13 and 13, I'll allot 5.5 and 5.5. So after the 13, so we have a 17 number. For this 17 number, we cannot allot 6 because we have considered 5 plus 6 for our average rank. So the next number, next rank is 7. So for 17, rank number 7. Then next number 25, rank number 8. Then 30, rank number 9. So this is how we need to allot the rank for repeated data. So you should remember the average ranks. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಹ ಸೀರೀಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಅಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಅಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಯಾವೆಲ್ಲ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 12ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 4th ರ್ಯಾಂಕನ್ನು ಅಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ 13ಗೆ ನಾವು 5th ರ್ಯಾಂಕನ್ನು ಅಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 13 ಅಂತ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳಿದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 5 and 6 ಈ ಎರಡು ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು 5 ಮತ್ತು 6. ಸೊ 5 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6 ಎರಡು ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 3 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್, 3 ನಂಬರ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 5 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 7 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 3. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 5 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಇಟ್ಸ್ 5.5. ಸೊ 5.5 ಅನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಸಲ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಎರಡೂ ಕೇಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಅಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ನಾನು ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 13, ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್, ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಸ್ 17. 13 ಆದ ನಂತರ 17 ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರ್ಯಾಂಕನ್ನು ಅಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈಗ ರ್ಯಾಂಕನ್ನು ಅಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ 5.5. ಸೊ ಈ ರ್ಯಾಂಕನ್ನು ಅಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 6th ರ್ಯಾಂಕನ್ನು ಅಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಈಸ್, ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ 5 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6 ಈ 6th ರ್ಯಾಂಕನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 6th ರ್ಯಾಂಕನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ 7th ರ್ಯಾಂಕನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ 7 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಿಂಗ್. ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು. 17th ಆದ ನಂತರ 25, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 8th ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 30th, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 9th ರ್ಯಾಂಕನ್ನು ಅಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಅಲಾಟ್ ದ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ repeated data. So after this, the rest of the things are same. So we should find out D and D square. So as far as D, so it's rank 1 minus rank 2. So it is 8 minus 9 minus 1, 4 minus 3, 1, 6 minus 7 minus 1, 3 minus 5.5, it's minus 2.5. So like that we are going to calculate D values. The formula is R1 minus R2. So you should remember that always the summation of D value should be equals to 0. So D na summation yavaglu kuda 0 agirtade. And you can cross verify here. And the last step is the preparation of D square. So we have already calculated D value here. So we need to consider D square. D into D. So 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 2.5 into 2.5, 2 square, 2 square, 3.5 square, 0 square and 4 square. After that, we have taken the summation of D square. So only this value is needed for our formula. So as far as this Spearman rank correlation, so we know that there are two categories of formula. The first formula, 1 minus 6 sigma D square divided by n cube minus n. So this formula is for the problems, so wherein which we don't have a repetition of data. There is no repeated ranks, but here we have repeated ranks. For repeated data, we need to add these terms. 1 divided by 12 into m cube minus m. Again, as many times as we have repeated ranks. ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. 1/12 into m cube minus m. So that is the only change for repeated ranks. So here r d square and n are as same as the previous case, but we have m here. So this m represents number of items whose ranks are common. So ಎಷ್ಟು ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಕಾಮನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್. ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಅದರ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಬೇಕು ಅಂಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಬೇಡ, ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದರ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. Here, as far as this problem, I just applied the values. You can see here. So it is 1 minus 6 sigma d square plus 1 by 12 into m cube minus m. Again plus 1 by 12 into m cube minus m. So I have considered 2 times. The reason is, so we have 2 repeated data. The first one is 60 and the second one is 13. So for this, so here again you should remember number 60 is repeated 3 times and number 13 is repeated 2 times. So I'll consider the first case. So 1 by 12 into m cube minus m. So here m indicate number of times repeated. So 60 repeated 3 times. So m value is 3 here. And here m cube minus m. So 13 is repeated 2 times. So I'll consider m value 2. Here 1 minus 6 sigma d square 45.5 plus, so these terms 1 by 12 into m cube minus m. So for this 1 by 12 as it is, m value is considered 3 because 60 is repeated 3 times. So 3 cube minus 3 plus again 1 by 12 as it is. So m value I have considered 2. The reason is 13 repeated 2 times. Here we are going to consider number of times repetition. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ n cube minus n. Here number of observation is 9. So here I'll simplify this one. 3 cube minus 3. So here 3 cube means 27 and here 2 cube minus 2. 2 cube means 8. So 9 cube means 729. So further simplification. So here 27 minus 3 means 24 and 8 minus 2 is 6. 729 minus 9 is 720. And rest of the things are considered same. Again, so here 1 by 12 into 24. So here 1 by 12 into 24 is 2 and 1 by 12 into 6 is 0.5. And rest of the things are same. And here 45.5 plus 2 plus 0.5. So it is 48. And here 6 into 48 is 288. So 288 divided by 720 is 0.4. So 1 minus 0.4 is 0.6. So hope you understood the calculation of rank correlation after getting summation d square. So here you should remember these terms. ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಡಾಟಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಮ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಕ್ಕೆ. ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ 1 by 12 into m cube minus m. ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ m ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಡಾಟಾ ಅದನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ 60 repeated 3 times. So here m value is 3. And here 13 repeated 2 times. So m value is 2. So that we'll get the simplified rank correlation, it is 0.6. After getting this value, we should interpret the data. So marks in accountancy and marks in statistics are positively correlated as the R value is 0.6. And positive correlation indicates increase in the marks of accountancy will leads to higher marks in statistics. So it is our assumption that so if there is any improvements in the marks of one subject, it will automatically improve the marks in other subjects. So hope you understood. For rank correlation, you should remember the steps. First step is to rank the data. So for ranking the data, as far as repeated ranks, give average ranks. Now average ranks ಗಳನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. And finding d and d square. And the last step is to substitute the values to formula. So while substituting values to formula, you should add the special term to formula, that is 1 by 12 into m cube minus m, as many times as you have repeated ranks. So this is all about repeated ranks. So hope you'll do the assignment after writing the problem number 3 in rank correlation. So here they have given x and y. So hope you will be able to find the ranks. Let me do this one. Let me try to rank the given data, and rest of the things I'll give it to you. So as far as the rank 1 for X series. So here the least number is 20. I'll allot 1, and the next most number is 30. So I should allot 2. But here you can see 31s and 32s. So I have to allot rank 2 and 3. So I'll consider the average rank. So 2 and 3. That means 2 plus 3 divided by 2. That means here 2.5 and here 2.5. So I can't give the rank 3 for the next number 40. Here the least number for X series is it's not 20, it's 15. So it's rank number 1. And the next most number is 20, so rank number 2. And the next most number is rank number 3. So here 30, and here again we have 30. So we have two repeated numbers. As far as repeated numbers, we should give average rank. So 3 and 4. So we have to allot third rank and the fourth rank. So 3 plus 4 divided by 2. So for that reason, the rank is 3.5. And here again, the rank is 3.5. And the next number is 40. So here again you can see the 40 is repeated ranks, 4 and 4. So for our average rank, we have considered 3 plus 4. So fourth rank is already considered. So I'll jump to fifth rank. So if I am going to continue with the rank, I should give 5 and I should give 6. So average rank for this repeated 40 number is 5 plus 6 divided by 2. So 5 plus 6 divided by 2 means, so here 5.5 and here 5. So after 40, the next most number here is 60. So for this 60, I should allot the rank. So for average rank, I have considered 5 plus 6. 6 already considered. So the next number is 7. So after this, the next most number is 80. So it is 8, and 85, it's 9, and 90, it's 10. So for the 10 observations, we have allotted the ranks. After this, consider the Y series. So here the least number is 10. But as far as this, we have repeated ranks. So here 10, here 10. So it's repeated 5 times. See here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So if it repeats like this, so we should allot the average rank. As far as the average rank, so it's repeated times. So I should allot rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, rank 4 and rank 5. So as far as average rank, so it's 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, that means 15. So we have considered 5 ranks. So 15 divided by 5, it's 3. So I should allot the rank 3 for all the repeated data. So 10 here 3 and 10 here 3, again 10 here 3, here again 3 and here 3. Average rank for all the repeated data. After this, I'll consider the next number. So after 10, we have the next number is 20. So for this 20, I should consider the next rank. So up to 5th rank we have considered. So the next rank is 6. And the next most number here is 25. So the rank number 7. And the next most number is 70. So that is rank number 8. 80 is rank number 9. And 90 is rank number 10. You should remember your rank should not exceed number of observation. So there are 10 observation and your maximum rank given is 10. And it should not be less than the number of observation. N should always be equals to highest rank you have given. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಎನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ನೀವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕೂಡ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ 10 ಉಂಟು, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ 10. ಸೊ ಈ 10ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಕೂಡ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ನೀವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ 9 ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ದರ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 11, again it indicates some mistakes in your ranking. So you can cross verify here. So you should remember that we have ranked the repeated data. So for repeated data we have considered average ranks. So this is how we need to rank the given observations. The rest of the things I hope I'll do. And again, as far as the m value, so here you can observe that m values are different. So here the first m value is as far as 6. The repeated data of is the first repeated data. It's 3.5. So here we have repeated data 30 and here 30. So repeated twice. So first m value is 2. 2 to the power 3 minus 2. And the second repeated data is 40. So here 40 and here 40. Again repeated twice. So m value is 2. And the third m value is 10 in the y series. In the y series 10 repeated 5 times. So 5 to the power 3 minus 5. So here you should consider 3 m values. The formula ದಲ್ಲಿ 3 times ತಗೊಳ್ತೇವೆ 1 by 12 into m cube minus m ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. So m value first time ನೀವು consider ಮಾಡುವಾಗ m value should be equals to 2 as far as this 30. ಈ 30 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 32 times repeat ಆಗಿದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ m ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನು 2 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ m ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು 40ಗೆ. ಅಗೇನ್ 40 ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು 2, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ m ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 2. And third time 1 by 12 into m cube minus m, you have to add in the formula. In the third case, so m value will become 5 because number 10 repeated 5 times. So m equals to 5. ನೀವು 3 ಸಲ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. Let me see how you are going to solve this particular. Thank you for watching. Care and happy.